time for Chartbusters. What is it that our chartists are picking out today? Kunal Bothra and Nooresh Mirani rejoining us. And Kunal, let's discuss your top pharma bet.
So, Avan, the bet which I've taken is Glenmark Pharma, and apparently it's for a change. It's on the negative side because the stock seems to have run up into some extreme nature of indicators. So, what I've mapped up for the charts for Glenmark Pharma, this is the price pattern for the stock, and this is the indicator. And when the indicator, it's an indicator which goes from negative 100 to plus 100. At negative 100, the stocks are extremely oversold. And at closer to 100 levels, the stock becomes extremely overbought. Now, look at the charts for Glenmark Pharma over the last 3 months. When the stock was sub 600 levels, 550 approximately, the move started off to be more gradual, more sustainable. And now the pace is accelerated for Glenmark Pharma. And in this rise of pace, what has happened is that the indicators have come back into a major overbought territory. So the stock has actually hit a massive peak in terms of the indicators, which means pretty soon the stock should get into an overbought territory as well as go into a correction. So I think at current levels of 790, 800 where the stock is trading, it's a good zone to actually book out profits over here because of the steep run the stock has seen in the last few months, the overbought nature of indicators. And I believe from current levels, we can expect a cool off. If that cool off happens, we can expect the previous support, which is closer to 670, 700 as the first level of strong support for Glenmark Pharma. So wait out for a 10% correction if you're looking to buy back on the stock price.
Okay, so that's the take coming in on Glenmark Pharma, but time now to go across to Nooresh to get his Chartbuster idea. Nooresh, what's that?
So that's a chart for NTPC. If you look at the last 6 months, it consolidated between 165 to 180, gave a breakout, went to 199, retested 185 levels. So the breakout is done and a retest is also done. And now we are hitting a new fresh 52-week high. So a fresh start here, a fresh breakout. This could take it towards 220 to 250 in the short term. A stop loss to be kept at 190 now.
Let's get those individual stock calls going. And Kunal, what's looking good today?
So, two sell calls. The first one is a sell on Indigo Aviation, the stock forming a rounding top pattern on the daily charts. So, would suggest a sell targets of 2560, stop loss at 2636. And the second would be a sell on Persistent, again a stock which has confirmed a swing breakdown on the charts. So, would suggest a sell targets of 4600, stop loss at 4780.
Okay, so that's the take coming in. Persistence, one of those stocks. Today, of course, remember KPIT Tech and Scient will report earnings, and KPIT Tech was firing away at least ahead of its earnings earlier. But what are the other stocks that Nooresh has on its radar?
So first would be a buy on Care Ratings. The stock is trying to make a 3 to 4 year breakout. Stop loss at 740, target price of 850. Second is a buy on Hero MotoCorp, a flag breakout done. Good follow up today as well. Stop loss at 3120 and a target price of 3500.